I'm Megan. I'm here for Dalet MEDIATalks at the 2017 NAB show. I'm here with Maurizio Raffaeli from Fox Network Group.
Hi.
And we're here to talk about how you're using Dalet.
So in 2008 we were working with a tape environment, and in Europe we have 16 offices and 16 operation centers. So in order to exchange our content on tape environment, it would be really hard. If you can imagine, on a tape you will need the original master, the TX version, the backup version, so only for one show you will have 3 copies. If you have to distribute among Europe, it will be really hard. We are managing more than 130 channels, and we are receiving for the same channels the same content from the distributor. So there is a lot of redundancies in this kind of exchanging. So in 2008 we decided to switch off on a tapeless environment on file-based solution, and it will be really easy to exchange the material among the countries. And on 2015 we switched over Dalet solution on that, which increased our workflows a lot.
So can you tell me a little bit about the requirements that you were looking for when you did that switch in 2015, and how Dalet helped you meet those requirements and maybe even exceed them?
In our workflows, as a content, let's say, distributor, we have very different steps. So from receiving material, transcode, treat the content, having the content transcoded in different formats. As you can imagine, we have a lot of equipment in our workflow chain. So the main requirement for us was to integrate everything under one unique interface in order to talk about with our different software and systems, and also to collect all the metadata around one unique place. And for that, Dalet was chosen on that, because they meet this requirement.
Tell us a little bit about the integration of the systems and how Dalet broke down those siloed workflows within Fox Network Group.
We have several distributors among Europe. We are receiving content, we are localizing the content, even subtitling or voice-overing the content. So the exchange the material among the countries become really important for us. So one of the main things on the Dalet was to integrate the different country needs, and also to integrate the different system in order to literally understand where the material is, and if it's in a dubbing house, if it's ready for air. And this is coming very important when you have a very short turnaround material from US. We are calling hot from US material, so the material which is coming and in 24 hours needs to go on air. That material needs to be subtitling, or sometimes we are also dubbing in 24 hours. So it's going to be really important to have a short turnaround system, so a system that knows what we have to do and anticipate our workflows step by step.
How did that help improve the workflow efficiency? Could you quantify how much more efficient your workflow is now?
Oh, for sure, we are moving quite 1 terabyte of material per day, back and forward from dubbing facilities to Playout center. So the increase of the workflows becoming when we install the BPM. On the BPM solution, which is now the orchestrator, automatize this process. So instead of having the operation people working on the material when the material is coming, all the people now is working on the metadata side. So as soon as we close the contract with the distributor, we can easily understand where the material is coming from, where is the dubbing house we have to push the material, when we do expect to receive the material back, and when there is the TX date. So if we have all this information inside one unique place, as soon as the material is coming, Dalet can do the rest, because he got all the information they need. This is a very good boost on the workflows, because you can move all the people to supervising the workflows and to prepare the workflows. As soon as the material is coming, there is a very short turnaround on that.
So can you tell us a bit more about the increased productivity with your staff in regards to how they're working together and collaborating on projects?
When you have different kind of software in your environment and you regroup everything under one unique MAM, there's a very boost of productivity in terms of the training, because you don't have to train the operation people on 10 different software, but just to learn one single software which is driving all the other system around, and also improve the material exchange among the countries. So in Italy, Germany, UK, we are receiving the material in one place, which could be UK, Germany, and Italy, and we can easily exchange the same material for cost saving and also for workflows improvement.
Tell us a bit about the infrastructure as far as the multiple Dalet sites that you have.
2 installations, one in Italy and one in UK. We are building the third one in Bulgaria. We are managing in Italy 9 channels, and we are also managing the German channel. We are other 3 channels, and we onboard also the Netherlands channels. We don't have an installation in Germany because in Germany, actually they are using the Italian Dalet to do their job. So from Germany, the producers and the on-air people can watch on the shows remotely through the web interface. They can cut the part they need. They can retrieve locally the rough cut material, produce the promos, and send to us that we are sending to the Playout. We also integrate the federated search, so the possibility for the users to access one system and also have a look on the database on the other system. So in that way, we can easily, the traffic people or the media operation people can easily exchange the material because they know where the material is coming from a different site and then retrieving back on the local premises to be treated. So our media operation department, which is from 10 people, we are actually managing more than 20 channels. So we are not only working for the channels that we are actually managing in Italy, but also for other countries. This has become possible only to increase the workflows and the opportunities with Dalet Orchestrator.